Did it? Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm playing more Red Ball 4. It's been a while since I did a Red Ball 4 video. It's been like fully a month. But now I'm back with Red Ball 4 and let's continue. Alright, level 40 and I'm a black ball now. Oh no, what is... Oh no, I'm not doing this. How do I do that? What is this button for? That does nothing. Oh my god! What do I do? What if I hold on the button? Oh, I turn... Oh, I know what to do. Wait for it. My hands are very... Nope! My god, already? Just started the video and I already died. Go! Yes, I did it! Get it? Get him. Get him. Oh no. It's gonna lower that down, I just know it. Boom. Boom. I made... Are you actually kidding me? Jump. Oh! Jump. No. Come on. There we go. Come on, robot. Boop. Made it. Level 41. Oh no. Go. Oh my god. Go. There we go. Boom. Boom. There we go. Oh. Okay. What is this? A ball? Let me push this down. Oh, wait. What is this? A button? Oh no! No. Don't leave. Come back! Okay. Let's try again. This time. Back there. There we go. Go. Boom. And we did it. 42. Oh no. They break? Oh no, that's bad. Oh no. This is hard. Oh wait. Boom. What is... Oh, I know what to do. Block this. No. Boom. There we go. Lock that and out we go. Alright. Oh, are you kidding me? Again? Oh no, I lost the heart. Wait. Oh no, a button. Another button. Can't we press this? Oh no, it just resets it. How do we do this? We need the ball to get up here. Can we like push up? Push up. Maybe if a ramp. No. But if I do a ramp. Wait. Let me try this. Maybe this can speed it up. No? Doesn't work? Let me try from the very end. Oh wait, let me push it. Boom! Did it. Oh my god! That was so close. I'll play that in slow-mo if you didn't see it. That was crazy. I almost died. Oh no, what's this? Sauce? Wait. No! Alright, I'm back. Oh. And I just lost all my hearts again. Not really. How do I do this? There we go. Both of them down. Great, really? Oh my god! No! Are you kidding me? No! I'm losing all my hearts again. Come on. There we go. I'm out of here. Oh my days, I almost. Oh no, we have to time this right. 3, 2, 1. Made it! Made it. Boom. There we go. Boom. 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 Oh wait. Roll! Quick, 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 quick. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, no. There. Stay. Boom. Alright. Oh no, we have to time this right. Right there. Nice. There we go. Made it. You have got to be kidding me. The boss? When I have 1 heart, I am gonna die. Look at this. I am gonna die when I go in here. Alright. Oh my god. Looks like a chainsaw man. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, he's down, he's down. Boom! Alright, woo. Careful. Boom! He's going, oh, 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 oh. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Alright, what's gonna happen? Oh no, they're going down? It's crazy. Oh no, I'm scared. No! Alright, I'm back. I'm not gonna die. All my hearts are full. Let's do this. Die! Alright, come on. It's been forever since I made a Red Ball video. We're defeating this boss who looks like a chainsaw. Here we go. With the falling things. Falling things. I don't know what they're called. Falling things. No! I always die! This is insane. I hate this level. Alright, this time I go under here. And then maybe I go under here, maybe? Thank God. Please be it. Oh my days! Is that it? There we go, that's it. Can we defeat him now? Oh no. Jump over you! Boom. There we go. Oh no, he ran away. Can we... No, we can't defeat him? How are we supposed to defeat him? And then we have these guys to solve our problem. These guys don't even do any work. What am I supposed to do? Oh no, I'm so lost. I so lose. I so lost in this game. Oh! How did I die? I died by him. No. What do you do? I'm so confused. What? Oh, you have to stay next to the boss. Like this. And then when the bomb guy comes, speed jump, and then he blows him up. Oh, we only have like 1 heart left. We can do this. We can actually do this. Boom! Let's go! We did it! Let's go! We completed chapter 3! Let's go! Yay! The red balls are free! The box factory's destroyed. We did it! Let's go! And the world's back. Well, guys, that'll be the end of the video. If you like me playing Red Ball again, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell if you never miss a new video. See you later. Goodbye.
This is Halloween, 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 Halloween.